Good morning, everyone. This is Amanda coming to you with another video, and today we are going to be moving on with the training for List Infinity, building your email list while also growing your income, making anywhere from $100 to $300 per day, depending on how much you put into the system and if you are willing to go through the trainings and the modules that I provide so that you can understand how to build an online business. So what I want to do today is I'm going to discuss some more information about List Infinity. I'm going to go over how much I've made and how things are going along. And not only that, just talk about List Infinity because I feel like it's one of the easiest and one of the most newbie friendly systems that you can use to start growing an online business without having to know a whole bunch of different skill sets in order to get started. So I've been showing you guys some of the payments that I've had come in. And as you can see, we had some more payments that came in. And basically, these payments that are here that are coming in is from me building my email list and being able to offer people information about the different opportunities that I currently promote. But List Infinity is going to be one of the opportunities that I'm going to be pushing for a while because I see the power in the system and I know that it's something that's easy enough for the average person to learn and be able to develop into a full-time business. Okay. So I am an entrepreneur, online affiliate marketer full-time, and I've been doing it since 2016, where I teach people how to start generating an income from home, utilizing different softwares and programs. And not only that, opportunities that can help them to start making a decent amount of money. And this is going to be day 4. We've had 3 days of training so far, and this is a playlist that's going to give you information about how to work the system, and not only that, how to start generating ongoing emails and growing your email list and being able to collect unlimited $25 payments, $50 payments, and $100 payments. This is a low ticket opportunity. And what I love about that is that people do not have to pay a lot of money to get the information that they need in order to create wealth and create a full-time income from home. So List Infinity, this is currently, this is the back office. I logged in before we got started. A lot of this the signups that I have coming in is coming from 100% free traffic, utilizing social media. Now, if you are not into social media, you can also buy traffic. They give you free traffic strategies and also paid traffic strategies to start running traffic to your List Infinity referral link. So this is my referral link. When you click here, I can copy it or I can pull it up. This is what you will see when you decide to join the opportunity, or if you want to just create a free account. You do not have to start off as a paid member. You can start building your list with a free account. But unfortunately, if you want to start earning with this opportunity, you will need to upgrade. So you can get instant $100 payments to your PayPal, but also $25 and $50 as they opened up to other levels with this opportunity. You're going to learn how to build a massive list and be able to promote this list, promote to your list any opportunity that you're involved in. Every lead that you generate is going to go to your email list. They recommend Aweber, but you can use other capture page systems to build your email list. It doesn't have to be Aweber. They have GetResponse. You can use Active Campaign, but for this training that they give you, they are having you connected to Aweber. You have your done for you lead capture pages, so you don't have to do that. Done for you email marketing campaigns. You don't have to create the emails. You're going to get step-by-step training for the free traffic strategies and also for paid traffic as well. Okay, so one of the things that I do love too about this opportunity is that the training is very in-depth. They're not leaving you hanging and teaching you some things but not others. Not only that, what I love is they have a 10K blueprint. In 2017, I started going through the 10K blueprint that I had from a different system that literally shows you and guides you on how to start building 10K per month. Even if it's 5K a month, this is a great video to go through because you're going to learn what you need in order to start building that income up and realistically what it takes to do that and how much time it takes to do that. Now, I tell people you should start making money online within the first 30 days. If you are following the training, you're working on your trainings consistently, you're applying what you learn. And then not only that, if you are using some of the marketing techniques that they give you, on a daily basis, you'll start to notice that your list will grow and then people will start signing up with you as you're going your list. The other thing that they have in here that I find very good for the average person that's looking to make money from home is success mindset. So with this is just preparing you and getting you into the getting you out of the 9 to 5 work mode and getting you into the entrepreneur work mode. And that's really good too, because a lot of us, we worked 9 to 5 all our life. And not only that, we are not used to maybe working a work from home business, or being an entrepreneur, or being affiliate marketing, and knowing what it takes and what you need to do in order to really get you to where you need to be. The mindset training is very, very good. And not only that, it's going to help you and prepare you for the things that you need to do and the motivation that you need in order to be successful. It starts with the mind, because we now have to get out of working 9 to 5 Monday through Friday into just running our business and being able to stick with it while we're still working a 9 to 5, because that's a lot of things that happens. People don't have the time. They feel like they don't know what to do, or they don't have the motivation to work a regular job and build their business. But you can actually do this. The reason why, it's not going to take you a lot of hours per day to get this up and running and to start using it consistently. You don't have to create promotional tools if you don't want to. They give you the groups, they give you what to post, they tell you where to put it and what to do. Okay. Now, if you want to maybe have some of your own promotional materials, I'm going to show you where to go to get those promotional materials. I use Fiverr, and what I'm going to be doing is creating information for some of the things that I put up on Fiverr to give you guys an idea of what that looks like. So what they're basically doing is showing you how to get massive engagement through attraction marketing. And attraction marketing is really good for people who don't want to do video marketing and want an easy step-by-step process to start getting people to your sales page. Okay. So again, I use Fiverr. Fiverr is like the best place to go. And in another video, I'm going to show you guys how to create attraction marketing posts that gets tons of engagement that will accumulate into sales for your business. And this is how I'm getting the payments. I'm getting them by posting on my free Facebook profile. It's not a business profile, it's a personal profile. And I'm getting massive amount of people asking me about what it is that I do and wanting to get started. So if you want to learn about how to do that, that is going to be a part of the playlist, exactly where to go, how much you're going to need to spend, and how often you're going to need to post to start accumulating that traffic that is going to allow you to start building that email list. Okay. This is really an easy program to start making $200, $300, $400 a day and watching that accumulate over time as you consistently build your list. So if you're not yet subscribe to my channel, please subscribe, because I'm going to be putting out content on a regular basis about List Affinity. We're going to go through some of the different tabs that you need in order to be successful and what you need to be doing to run this business. And not only that, I'm going to give you guys tips and tricks on some of the things that will help you to move faster along the process to start building your list at a much faster speed. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. If you want more information about this program, in the description below is the link to get started and also to create your free account. And not only that, you can reach out to me through Facebook Messenger. My Facebook information is also in the description below, and you can text me also at my phone number if you have any questions. So I want to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Have a great day, stay blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next training.